there, welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you how to share your draft video on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. First of all, you have to click on the TikTok app. The app will appear in front of you. You have to click on the plus mark. After clicking on this, you select the timer and click on this red button. Your video will be start. Click on this and mark this red option. Now click on next and save your video draft on clicking this. Your video will be saved in your draft. After that, click on profile and select draft from here. Now click on next and here you can click on this and allow setting who can view your this draft video, everyone, your friends or only you. Now select anyone from here and click to post your video. Your draft video will be shared to that person whom you want to share. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.